Are you ready for our math lesson today? All right. We are going to start it out with one of our warm-up routines that we haven't done in a while. This is called Act It Out. So here's the story. It's called Flowers in the Garden. Claire found 8 flowers in the garden. How can she represent the flowers? So that means that she found 8 flowers in the garden, right? How can we show that? How can we represent that? What would be a way we could show 8 flowers? Do you have any ideas? I have a whiteboard here. Could I show 8 flowers on a whiteboard? So I could draw 8 flowers. You count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are, now that I look in the screen, they kind of look like messed up donuts, don't they? But that was one way I could show 8 flowers. Can you think of a way you could do it at home? You could try drawing flowers, and probably better flowers than I did, but make sure you draw 8. Do you have anything around the house that you could use to make 8 flowers? I'll bet somewhere you have 8 spoons, 8 balls, 8 Legos. There's a lot of different ways you could show 8. Now, for our math lesson today, we are going to put the numbers in order from 1 to 10. And then we are going to use some towers and see if we can make those towers in order from 1 to 10 also. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this with me today. You can just follow along as I'm doing it, and my towers are all different colors. So you can say the color that you think would be next, even though I won't be able to hear you, but I know if you'll be right. Or when you're done, take some scraps of paper or the number cards you have at home and write number cards from 1 to 10. And then what would really be an easy way is if you had Legos or something you could stack, you can make your own towers. All right. So after I put that whiteboard away, I just realized I'm going to need it again. So I'm going to move this. And then I'm going to tip it down here so you can see my board. And then I'm going to lay out the numbers here. And right now, these are definitely not in order, are they? So we want to get them in order. So tell me what number goes first. Right. Number 1. Then I better move this because I'm going to need number 2. Did I hear you say 3? Okay. Can you point to the 4 on the screen? Good job. 4. Oops, can you see them over there? Yep. 5. 6. Uh-oh, I made a boo-boo, didn't I? Look at that. I better turn that one around so you know that that's a 6. 7. 8. 9. And finally, 10. Good job, friend. All right, now I am going to take and put my towers that I already made. So I'm hoping that this works. I'm going to start here, and I bet this one's going to be almost too tall. There we go. And I'm just going to set my towers up here. Make them so that you can see. Maybe I can move them a little closer here. You know, if your kindergarten teacher knew more about technology, I'll bet there's an easier way to do this, but I think we're going to be able to make it work. How about that? Or maybe we'll put the yellow one over here because the black one's going to be harder to see. There we go. All right. Now, with your help, we need to put these in order from 1 up to 10. So I want you to tell me which one of those towers is just 1. And you can point to it on the screen and you can tell me what color it is. Right. We've got 1. What color has 2? Did you say purple? There's 2. What comes next? Did you say the red one? There's 3. Oops, I better slide these down a little bit so we can see them. Which color is 4? The brown one. Which color is 5? Are you noticing what those are starting to look like? Yeah, they look like steps, don't they? What color is number 6? You said orange? Okay. Oh, no, you didn't say orange. You said black. Oh, okay. Let's do black. There was 6. How about 7? There's where my orange one goes. Because you can tell if I would have gotten them reversed, my steps don't work, do they? All right, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's 8? Nine. And 10. And the last thing your classmates will do at school then is they will take, and I know these are going to fall on me, they are going to take and match the tower with the right number. So they would put 1 with 1, 2, 3, and keep going until they got all the way up to 10. So I hope you were able to do it along with me. And like I said at home, if you have something that you can build up, you can also try to make the towers. And remember, if it looks like steps, you probably have them in the right order. So happy counting.